Imagine a world where AI evolves at lightning speed, outpacing even the most ambitious tech giants. Welcome to the future with Elon Musk's xAI. Elon Musk's xAI has just launched Colossus, a massive AI training cluster with 100,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs built in 122 days. This rapid development begs the question, can other AI giants keep up, or will Musk's relentless drive win the race? Colossus is not just any AI cluster. It's the most powerful in the world, according to Musk, and it's only going to get bigger. Incredibly, this system was brought online over a holiday weekend in the United States, showcasing xAI's breakneck speed. xAI plans to expand Colossus to 200,000 GPUs soon, doubling its already impressive capacity. In a recent podcast, Musk revealed that Grok 2 was trained on just 15,000 GPUs, yet it caught up to OpenAI's GPT-4 in record time. With over 6 times that amount now in production, xAI is set to put significant pressure on OpenAI, Google, and others. Meanwhile, OpenAI is reportedly planning to develop its first in-house AI chips using TSMC's advanced 1.6mm A16 process node. Partnering with Broadcom, Marvell, or Apple, OpenAI aims to reduce its dependence on expensive NVIDIA AI servers. By developing its own chips, OpenAI could break free from the GPU shortage bottleneck, potentially supercharging its mission towards AGI. Freepik recently launched Mystic, a new AI image generator that excels in creating ultra-realistic images from prompts. Mystic competes with top tools like Midjourney and Flux, offering users a powerful new way to generate stunning visuals. Researchers at Profluent Bio used AI to create OpenCRISPR-1, a novel gene editing tool that matches or surpasses current CRISPR systems. OpenCRISPR-1 helps treat genetic diseases in the safest, fastest, and most personalized way possible, opening doors for custom gene editors. The AI Conference 2024 is just 10 days away, bringing together industry leaders from Stability AI, OpenAI, Meta, and the Pentagon. At the conference, you'll experience advanced RAG sessions, agent-building workshops, and panels featuring NVIDIA and Stanford. xAI, a no-code AI automation platform, helps companies 10x their productivity by leveraging AI assistants developed by MIT PhDs. With xAI, businesses can automate tedious processes, safeguard data, and save up to 80% in their AI journey. Trending AI tools include Freepik Mystic, ClickUp Brain, Company GPT, Skyfire, Storyboarder, and Reddit Scout. Stay ahead in the AI race with the latest innovations and insights. Subscribe now and never miss an update. Keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.